What if I told you that there is a secret formula to becoming rich and successful? A formula that only a few people know and use, while the majority of people are unaware and stuck in mediocrity. A formula that can help you achieve your financial goals and dreams, no matter where you are starting from. Would you be interested in learning this formula? If you answered yes, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the 8 traps that rich people avoid but the middle class does not. These are the common mistakes that can prevent you from reaching your financial potential and building wealth. By the end of this video, you will learn how to avoid these traps and adopt the habits and mindset of the rich. So if you are ready to learn the secret formula to becoming rich and successful, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Let's get started. Trap 1. Lack of financial education. The first trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is lack of financial education. Financial education is the knowledge and skills that enable you to manage your money effectively and make informed decisions about saving, investing, budgeting, and debt. Rich people understand the importance of financial literacy and often prioritize learning about money management and investing. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and seek advice from experts. They also teach their children about money from an early age. On the other hand, middle-class individuals may lack formal financial education and rely on their intuition or emotions when it comes to money matters. They may not have a clear understanding of how money works, how to create a financial plan, or how to evaluate different investment options. They may also have misconceptions or myths about money that limit their potential. Trap 2. High debt and liabilities. The second trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is high debt and liabilities. Debt is the money that you owe to someone else, such as a bank, a credit card company, or a friend. Liabilities are the obligations that you have to pay in the future, such as a mortgage, a car loan, or a student loan. Rich people tend to manage debt more strategically and avoid high-interest debts that can eat up their income and savings. They use debt as a tool to leverage their assets and increase their cash flow. They also pay off their debts as soon as possible and minimize their liabilities. On the contrary, middle-class individuals might accumulate more consumer debt and liabilities that can hinder their wealth creation. They may use credit cards to buy things they don't need or can't afford, or take out loans to finance their lifestyle. They may also have a hard time paying off their debts and end up paying more interest and fees. They may also have more liabilities than assets, which means they have a negative net worth. Trap 3. Neglecting investments. The third trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is neglecting investments. Investments are the assets that you buy or create with the expectation of generating income or appreciation in the future, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. Rich people focus on building multiple income streams, including investments that can provide passive income and capital gains. They diversify their portfolio and allocate their money according to their risk tolerance and return objectives. They also reinvest their profits and compound their wealth over time. In contrast, middle-class individuals might solely rely on a single income source, such as their salary or wages. They may not have enough money left after paying their bills and expenses to invest in anything else. They may also be afraid of losing money or lack the knowledge or confidence to invest in different markets or industries. They may also miss out on the power of compounding interest, which is the interest earned on both the principal and the accumulated interest. Trap 4. Fear of taking calculated risks. The fourth trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is fear of taking calculated risks. Calculated risks are the risks that you take after weighing the pros and cons and estimating the probability and impact of different outcomes. Rich people are often more willing to take calculated risks to achieve higher returns or pursue new opportunities. They understand that risk is inherent in any investment or business venture, but they also know how to manage it and mitigate it. They also learn from their failures and use them as feedback for improvement. On the other hand, middle-class individuals might be more risk-averse, missing out on potential opportunities or settling for mediocre results. They may prefer to stick to what they know or what is comfortable rather than trying something new or challenging. They may also let fear of failure or rejection stop them from taking action or pursuing their dreams. Trap 5. Overspending on lifestyle inflation. The fifth trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is overspending on lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is the tendency to increase your spending as your income increases, resulting in little or no savings or investments. Rich people tend to avoid extravagant spending and prioritize saving and investing over consumption. They live below their means and follow a budget that aligns with their financial goals. They also value quality over quantity and focus on buying things that add value to their life or business. On the contrary, middle-class individuals might succumb to lifestyle inflation, spending more as their income increases. They may upgrade their house, car, clothes, or gadgets to keep up with their peers or social expectations. They may also spend money on things that do not bring them lasting happiness or satisfaction. They may also have a hard time saving or investing because they are always living paycheck to paycheck. Trap 6. Not prioritizing personal development. The sixth trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is not prioritizing personal development. Personal development is the process of improving yourself in various aspects, such as your skills, knowledge, habits, mindset, or health. Rich people prioritize personal development, continuous learning, and skill enhancement. They read books, take courses, attend workshops, hire coaches, or join mastermind groups. They also seek feedback and criticism to improve their performance and results. They also take care of their physical and mental health and well-being. In contrast, middle-class individuals might not invest as much in self-improvement. They may think that they already know enough, or that they don't need to learn anything new. They may also resist change or avoid challenges that can help them grow. They may also neglect their health and wellness and suffer from stress, fatigue, or illness. Trap 7. Short-term thinking. The seventh trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is short-term thinking. Short-term thinking is the tendency to focus on immediate financial needs and wants rather than long-term financial goals and plans. Rich people often plan for the long term, considering their financial goals and legacies. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and how they want to achieve it. They also have a strategy and a system to execute their plan and track their progress. They also review and adjust their plan as needed. On the other hand, middle-class individuals might focus more on short-term thinking, satisfying their present desires rather than securing their future needs. They may not have a clear financial goal or plan, or follow it consistently. They may also lack discipline or motivation to stick to their plan, or make sacrifices for their future. They may also be influenced by external factors, such as market fluctuations, media hype, or peer pressure. Trap 8. Neglecting networking and relationships. The eighth and final trap that rich people avoid but the middle class does not is neglecting networking and relationships. Networking is the process of building and maintaining connections with people who can help you achieve your goals or provide you with value. Relationships are the bonds that you form with people who can support you emotionally or socially. Rich people value networking and relationships in wealth accumulation. They surround themselves with like-minded people who can inspire them, mentor them, partner with them, or refer them to others. They also nurture their relationships with their family, friends, customers, employees, or community. On the contrary, middle-class individuals might not emphasize networking and relationships as much, potentially missing out on opportunities or resources. They may isolate themselves from others who can help them or learn from them. They may also neglect their relationships with their loved ones or others who care about them. So there you have it. 8 traps that rich people avoid but the middle class does not. These are common pitfalls that can prevent you from achieving financial freedom and success. By avoiding these traps and adopting the habits and mindset of the rich, you can improve your financial situation and create wealth for yourself and others. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.